Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for some downhill racing. I'm here with my son Samson. What's up, Sam?
What's up, Dad?
And today we are doing Hot Wheels versus Matchbox. We have an older Hot Wheels here from 2002. It actually says it right there if it would focus in. And it is the RAVE. Looks like a medic van. They're calling it the RAVE wagon. All right. And it's a flat black. It's actually a cool color. And today it is going up against this 2002 Chevy Avalanche by Matchbox. It's all pink. This should be a good race. Sam, who do you think's going to win?
I think the medic van is going to win.
Okay. Well, why don't you open that medic van then? I'll take the pink one. You take the medic van. Pick the corner and then pull. You got this. Come on, pull.
Oh, no,
You're way too nervous here.
I just want to do it right. Did I do it right?
Looks good.
I did it right.
That's almost a perfect opening.
Peel and win.
Peel and win. Oh no.
Peel?
We've
I
done
gotta
this
peel
before.
it.
We did this before, but we never peeled it.
I gotta peel it.
You need help, Simpson?
It's old. It's very
taking
old.
up video time now.
There
And there you have it. Hun.
There's nothing there.
It's on there.
Oh.
There is our code. It's all sticky. I can't get it to get off my finger. All right, we'll look that up later.
Okay.
How's it rolling there? The wheels all roll good?
Yes, they do.
They roll well.
They roll well.
All right, set that up on the left side. That would be the right, Sim.
There we go.
He wants to roll. All right, Matchbox. Pick at the corner, then pull. See? Ooh. Ooh la la. All the wheels roll. Nice pink bottom. Nice paint job right there.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's see, does this come off? I'd say not on purpose. I'm not going to force it. I did lift it a little. Hopefully it snaps back on. I didn't break it.
Maybe it'll fall off.
I don't think it's removable. And there's our matchup for today. And Sam has the black RAVE, and I have the Chevy Avalanche. Let's get these guys racing. All right, I will put Hot Wheels in lane 1, the RAVE, and the Chevy Avalanche Matchbox in lane 2.
We're all set up.
Thank you, Simpson. Ready, set, race! Whoa! Whoa, that was a cool Matchbox. That kind of took off right away. We have that back, and I'll put them in opposite lanes.
You know, I didn't think these wheels would do well.
Oh, they're nice and smooth on the bottom, though.
Yeah.
They're just ridgy looking on the side. All right, so Hot Wheels go lane 2 this time, and Matchbox is up 1-0. I'm liking that. I'm liking that Matchbox is up. Ready, set, race! Oh, a little bit closer, but yes, the Chevy Avalanche Matchbox wins. Thanks so much for tuning in to Timmy's 10 again. Please subscribe.